Hi, this is a coil winder project I've been working on. It consists of a stepper motor to turn the bobbin, and there's a stepper motor driver here which is L6219 controller based. There's a VFD to view everything, and a 4x4 matrix keypad. There's a Pi Pico as well back here which is operating everything. It all runs from between 12 and 24 volts, so currently I've got a 12 volt power supply here. And if I power up, there's a short delay just to allow turning on a debug console connection if you have one. To use it, it shows the current number of turns, and if you want to, you can just hit the go button and it will just start spinning that up. And that's running at the top speed, but if you wanted to, you can drop the speed down a bit. Or speed back up again. And stop. And also you can set the number of turns that you want. So for example, at the moment it's on 208 turns. If I wanted that to be, say, 350 turns, I could just type 350, enter, and then go. And then that'll stop by itself once it reaches that count. It takes a while slowing down, just in case you want to do something with the windings as you're just finishing it up there. So that'll soon get to 350 and then it'll stop exactly at that turn. I do want to implement fractional turns as well at some point, because obviously the stepper motor's got that high granularity which is suitable for that. There's also options settings here. If I hit the options button, there's only two options really, one for direction, and I can cycle between clockwise and clockwise, or the other option is whether you want to zeroize. So at the moment it's on 350 turns. If I hit yes on zeroize and press OK, it's back to 0 turns again. And that's all I've got on this project at the moment, but obviously because it's all a bit haphazard, I need to put this on a circuit board and then carry on improving on the software as well. Thanks for watching.